Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Autobiography, which is a 3-litre diesel in silicon silver. This car's next due for a service in February 2022. As you can see, you have 21-inch diamond turned finish alloys, an electrically deployable tow bar, along with a powered tailgate, which is useful when you have your hands full, and privacy glass. This car's previously had only one owner. And going inside the vehicle, we also have keyless entry, so you can lock the car and open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day like today, or just if you want a bit of fresh air. You also have a cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Different suspension, higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Different driving modes, including comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl. And then you can push it back down for auto. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And they also massage, which is a real luxury to have. They do also have different settings. Heated and cooled in the back also, keeping all passengers happy. 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Timed climate. Apple CarPlay, you can use the apps on your phone. A 360-degree camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. And you do just have the rear view camera also. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool, especially in the dark. And you can also control your tow bar from inside the vehicle. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which is handy when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, along with memory seats throughout the car, which is handy if there's several people in and out. And a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This car's done 11,415 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.